I wanna be free, I wanna just live inside my Cadillac, that is my shit. Now throw it up, that's what it is. M-I-C-A-D-I-L-L-A-C, bitch. Can't see me through my tits, I'm riding real slow. And my paint wet, dripping, shining like my 20 bows. I don't got 20 bows, but I'm on those votes. That's those big white walls, round them 100 spokes. Old school like old English in that brown paper bag. I'm rolling in that same whip that my granddad had. Hello, haters, damn, y'all mad. 30K on the caddy, now how backpack rap is that?
I got that all-black Cadillac, midnight drive. Got that gas pedal lean back, taking my time. I'm rolling out, roof up, letting in sky. I shine, the city never looks so bright.
Man, I'm lounging in some shit Bernie Mac would've been prouder. Looking down from heaven like damn, that's stylish. Smiling, don't pay attention to the mileage. Can I hit the freeway illegally going 120 easy? We've been in and out of the traffic. Can I catch me? I'm smashing, I'm ducking, bucking. I'm out here, I'm looking fucking fantastic. I am up in the classic. Now I know what it's like under the city lights, riding into the night, driving over the bridge, the same one we walk across as kids. Knew I'd have a whip, but never one like this. Old school, candy paint, two-seater. Yeah, I'm from Seattle, there's hella Honda Civics. I couldn't tell you about paint either, but I really wanted the caddy, so I put in the hours and moved over to the dealer, and I found the car. Dreamed it was a bargain with the skeezer, got the keys, and as I was leaving, I started screaming.
Got that all-black Cadillac, midnight drive. Got that gas pedal lean back, taking my time. I'm rolling out, roof up, letting in sky. I shine, the city never looks so bright.
Backwoods and dope, white hoes in the backseat snorting coke. She doing line after line like she writing rhymes. I had her inhaling my love, trying to blow her mind. Cadillac pimpin', my uncle was on 14, I sold his keys, me and my niggas was gone. Stealing portions of his liquor, water in his Patron. Driver smiling like I won a fucking lottery, homes. Tires with the spokes on it, in the Vogue too. Mustard and mayonnaise, keeping the buns all on my dogs. Hanging out the window, youngest wheels frontin' like a bow. Trying to fuck them all, double fuck the whip, see what's poppin' at the mall. Need a bad bitch, slap a booty with my paws. Reconstruct the pussy, I was tearing down the walls. I'm motherfucking all. Some sweating sides, had her hypnotized. Grip the leather steering wheel where I grip the thighs. See the lust stuck up in the eyes. Maybe she like the ride, or does she like the smoke? Or does she wanna low? Cause this shit a Couteville, so you never know. So we cruise for minutes, my nigga fuck the limit. Got a window tinted for showing gangsta in it. Slide till the gas is finished. Cute.